friends, it's me Nikki here to share with you how I utilize and put together a prep tray. It is the MVP of my refrigerator. It saves me that time in my kitchen when I want to prep meals the day before. I put it together myself and I want to show you simple tips that you can do to create one for your refrigerator. So let's jump right in. Friends, I'm excited that this video is sponsored by HelloFresh, which is a meal kit service that delivers delicious ingredients you'll love to eat and simple recipes that you'll absolutely love to cook. They deliver right to your doorstep. If you're at work when they deliver, no problem. They package it so that it stays fresh, and they have quick prep times. That's amazing, especially if you're working and are running with the kids. You don't want a lot of prep time, and your prep tray can even save you more time. It's a little secret weapon you can use. So what you want to do to make a meal prep tray is you want to go to any of your home stores that have those organizational tools for the kitchen. You want to first find a tray that will efficiently fit in your fridge, and that one that efficiently fits the amount of food that you typically prep before a meal. This one will work fine for a single person that is a small household, and you want it to definitely be one that you can put little containers in, because you're going to put different little containers in there to put your various prep items. And the purpose of the tray is so that you can prep the night before, have it waiting in the fridge, and you're basically just dumping it in the pan. And with creativity with our meals, sometimes it's difficult because we don't know what to cook and we're trying to give our family something different. Like today, I'm going to cook with you the Korean beef bibimbap, and I hope I said that right, by the way. And I love that HelloFresh menus, they have everything laid out. You won't spend all night in the kitchen because recipes only take 30 minutes and come with step-by-step instructions and pre-measured ingredients. So even if you don't have a prep tray, you're going to save tons of time. And they make it fun because it gives you creativity, because you can create new meals for your family week after week. They have an ever-changing menu that is absolutely delicious. And so let's get started cooking. And the first thing I'm going to start with is with all of the small ingredients. Because they come pre-measured and pre-packaged, all I have to do for my prep tray to save me even more time is just simply throw these babies in their own little container here and put it on my prep tray. I then go into washing my veggies, and this is one of the time-consuming tasks, is washing and cutting your vegetables. So let's get that done and in the prep tray. So friends, the washing and chopping of the food is done. This is a great task that you can do as a family. As you're cooking the current night's meal, you can have your kids or your husband prep the meal for the next day. You can both be in the kitchen at the same time. It's a great way to spend family quality time, especially for that kid that loves to cook. Now, because these are veggies, some veggies you want to take a wet paper towel and put over the veggies if you're going to cook them overnight. You don't have to necessarily do one with carrots, but definitely with zucchini and things like that, I like to do that. Along with, I didn't pre-cut my mushrooms. I have them prepped and ready to go, but I don't want to cut them a day ahead of time, so I can just easily chop them up right before I put them into the pan. friends, this meal was absolutely delicious. I actually wanted to make it again the next night. I was so addicted to it. I love the fact that we could have it in 2 different variations because I don't eat rice and Mike does, and it was delicious in both ways. So HelloFresh is all right with me. Another thing that they sold me on is that I could easily change up my delivery times, and that was key for me. So I'm going to have a 50% off your first week of HelloFresh if you visit HelloFresh.com and enter the promo code Nikki. It'll be sent to you via email. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.